my key.
What is it?
My key.
It's your kitchen?
Huh?
Wow.
Can you open up your refrigerator? Open up your refrigerator. Oh, here, open up your refrigerator. Look what's inside.
Right.
Eggs, cheese, and milk.
Do you need some milk?
How?
Sweetie, do you need some milk? Let me see. Crack it.
Top bucket.
Okay, now go get your milk. Sweetie, here's a cup. There's a cup down there in your fridge. Get your cup. You're welcome.
Okay.
Oh, that's cheese. Asa Kate, can you say thank you, Mama? Thank you, Papa? Cheese. Get your cheese out. Say thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa. Look at Mommy.